Okay. Good morning, everybody. First day live in the morning. I must say, this is pure dedication at its best because I am tired as shit. All right, let's talk about what the hell is going on right now. Because the market is thriving. Thriving alive and well, baby. Well, like I said, I thought we were going out to set up for sales up here, which we did take out the recent highs from Friday, Thursday, late Thursday. We just took out highs for that. I guess what Thursday tried to do is trying to complete the rest of that move. And maybe try to take out this little double high scenario. But then what else would it be reaching for? Nothing for a while. So I'm thinking that's what we overall going for. Let's try to zoom out of this. I'm trying to. The reason why I'm not saying anything is I'm trying to get my screen back down to normal size. That's crazy. Let's see. What do we have news? In 2 hours, we have news S&P Global Manufacturing and ISM Manufacturing. GDP was around that time. So this is that's basically London pushing from this 2 o'clock in the morning. That thing engulfed and ripped. I was up late last night trying to watch the story of Tetris. And yeah, I wasn't up. I thought I was up around it, so that would have been 2 o'clock in the morning. after this candle closed to verify it was engulfing. And I was not up. But man, that's amazing, right? This also makes me think about staying in the trade that I was in. Granted, it did break the low and didn't continue. So I've noticed that when it breaks significant extreme lows, which would be right here, and that's what we got. Yeah, we broke that and filled this wick here, and then we continued low a little bit, but turned around. So if this would have been a bearish candle, we would have had more reason for this gap. Once it was filled, it would have turned around, but that wasn't the case, as we found support heading into London session. And then, like I said, at the close of this 1 o'clock candle, 2 o'clock in the morning, price push bullish for a, yeah, I need to figure out how to make the screen big because it's extremely small. And I know you guys having trouble seeing it, but nonetheless, we were at 66.80. 66.80. All the way to 67.30. Well, what I've got to take profit here. What my last take profit was. So 80 to 20 is 40 pips. And that's 40 pips in a matter of 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. Easy money, man. Following and golfing. I said it's even better. These engulfing setups work. As you can see, this one worked. This one somewhat worked, even though it's a high. But nonetheless, what I'm saying is try your hardest to find, and you most likely will find and only find the best one. So you can backtest this, but try to find the best engulfing setups located at support and resistance. They show up all over, but that's the real telltale. I wonder what this red line is. I gotta see. Let's see. What is that? Color change. So it gotta be this. Yeah, I gotta realize that might be nah. Gotta see what that red and green line is. We're going to figure it out later. Okay, give me some time. I need to figure out how to get these charts. Morning. What's up, brother? Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Yep.
Good. What's going on, bro?
Oh, man. I'm living the dream. Or at least I'm dreaming that I'm living. One of the two. Because
we in the Matrix.
I'm in the Matrix. It's all good, though. This is a pure dedication show, ladies and gentlemen. I probably won't be on here too longer because it was a struggle to even lay down when I did and try to get up. But I'm here because we're doing this for growth. This is growth. It's pure growth. So I'm here. But speaking of growth, do you see what I see?
Mm-hmm. I didn't know they was gonna come this early, but These are the buys we was talking about yesterday.
And you see where it came from. It's London all day.
Mm-hmm.
It's pre-London.
Yep. Let's see.
I mean, like I said, we were gonna attack at least these lows, which we did, and we didn't go any further, creating any bearish candles right here. I know it's hard to see on these charts, bro, because I done zoomed. I don't know what I did. I zoomed in, but I can't get it back the regular way. Like I don't, my icons and whatnot.
What you mean? Look the regular way.
Like you know how they usually have the icons on the side,
Oh,
and
okay.
I basically zoomed, like created a full screen, but I'm having trouble finding the reverse of that, like the button to take that off. So yeah, if anybody's can send me a message on how to do that. Nonetheless, I figured out, but I just thought it was very hard to view. And plus, I can't even. I'm trying to change my time frame to the daily so I can see what the daily looking like, but I can't even change the damn thing. It's crazy.
I say yeah, the daily flexing.
Yeah, I
Um,
bet.
let's see.
Amazing buy. Oh my god.
Yeah, I mean you had an engulfing that happened on the 4 hour, but I was asleep.
Yeah, on a 1 hour too. I mean, it wasn't a color change, a strong color change golfer, but it was good enough. It came from support too. After taking out those old lows, like
Yeah.
yeah, that was steaming, beaming, man. And it's looking like it's trying to go to old highs from March 22nd, Wednesday. And I think that was inflation news that popped up like that.
Mm.
Or it was a speech. It was at 1 o'clock, around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. It's probably inflation or Jerome. So basically, the market is trying to go back to what Jerome.
Yeah, we're gonna see how this area is gonna get respected on the 1 hour, 4 hour time frames. See if we're gonna continue this bullish movement. I mean, to me, this is a missed opportunity.
All day.
And even if I was up, I probably still would have been like, maybe, because it
Yeah.
wasn't my, um, it didn't give me the signal that I used to go off of. So yeah, overall, I'm looking for a sell entry now.
Yeah.
Seeing where that'll take me, but yeah, man, when stuff like this happens and you miss a trade, you wake up, you see some movement. Don't get in right now because you are for sure getting in at the top.
Man.
And what's even crazy is you got some people that'll still get in this trade and they probably gonna mess around and get another 10, 15 pips. But
Yeah, because it still got room to go. But
yep,
as far as the range, it's near the top.
yes, yes. Especially if you look at the higher time frames and what you're reaching uh strong support or resistance on the higher time frames, you better watch out.
Right. Market typically reverses from there. So if you
Yeah,
buying on a 1 hour, you better be in drawdown for like could be a whole day
yeah.
before that daily turns around and pushes back bullish. My buys from Friday morning would have been profitable and hit TP if I would have held, but that's it was just a premature entry overall. It didn't work out, and I took it, but we now see why. Just like I said, Friday possibly was showing you the move and the trend that was going, but Friday is also the day that all the traders leave for the weekend and all the money leaves the market, so the dust has to settle. The balloon has to deflate. So that's basically what happened Friday leading to Sunday, and then boom, once that interjection of London come in, big push,
Yeah.
creating new highs. It's a beautiful thing, man. Love it.
Really is, man.
It
Really
really
is.
is.
What we got for news today?
News. Probably something you can use. Let's see. We have global manufacturing, ISM manufacturing in 2 hours roughly. 8:45 and 9 a.m.
Okay, so just from what it's looking like, it's either be like a late entry, might get something around 10 or 11, or this may be a no trade session for me for the day. I just don't see anything happening right now. The bus
Yeah.
has left.
Oh yeah, it's been though.
I'm just chilling at the bus stop right now. Might get my parents to bring me to school today.
Yeah, because you gonna be waiting. Yeah, you gonna be waiting for a while. That bus is on the way to the game.
Yes.
Hold on one second.
Hmm. Go see what this S&P Global Manufacturing and ISM does for the New York session around 8:30, 9 o'clock, 8 or 9 o'clock. See what see what happens then. Right now we are freakishly bullish since like it's like 12, 1 o'clock this morning. Haven't had a red bearish candle on the 1 hour since then. So creating some clean range, clean traffic for it to eat up. So, be patient and wait for um, a fire sale signal. Like I said, it may not happen until
All
after 8
right.
o'clock for sure, for sure.
Let's see. Reset chart view. That's crazy, man. Who the popping boy? Mm.
It already broke past the weekly high of last week.
Oh yeah, way past that.
Mm-hmm.
Way past that.
But we haven't got a close above 67 flat, even though we get all this movement wicking above it on the weekly. We never got to close above 67 flat.
And this is another scenario of us wicking above.
So you get a
But
return.
Lord, this
Yeah,
sucker is booming.
I just like that it's doing this early.
Yeah, yeah, that's amazing. The news ain't been released yet, so this is all priced in. That's how I look at it. Like, yeah, having fun. Bro, this is driving me, bro. I can't do my screen.
It's not like a reset or something like that.
I don't want to hit that. There is a reset, but I'm thinking it's gonna like reset everything and take all the indicators off. Then I gotta go search them. All right, I'm just gonna search it on Google. Chat GPT. How to no, it's not.
So do you have a menu
That's what I'm
button?
saying. They don't show that. If they had a menu button, I'm pretty sure it'd been in there. They got like settings, little icons, but that's like just changing the settings on the chart. That's not really your view per se. Oh, that was easy.
You did it?
Yeah.
Cool. I was about to share mine.
Actually, I didn't do it. And that's full screen overall. I'm trying to full screen. Look, somebody else asked the same thing. Desktop app stuck in full screen mode.
Hit the fucking escape button.
It said somebody said hit F11, but I hit F11 and I didn't. Oh, he's stuck. Yeah, okay. That is. That's full screen mode. Yeah, folks. Today is just like Jay said. You know, the bus has been gone. You pretty much sitting at the bus stop waiting. And, you're gonna have days like this.
Mm-hmm.
But for us to even have an engulfing color change, it would have to reject all this in the next hour. And not to say it never happened before, but it's rare. And hey, if that's what it was trying to do, I'm here for it. We'll fade that move. But other than that, this could be a no trade morning and waiting into the evening time because we have news in the evening too.
Yeah,
At
super high
yeah,
news.
and super late. It's like at 11:30. Interest rate for Australian dollar. So let's see.
That
Interest rate
bitch,
through
this
the
sucker is jumping, bro.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm just watching the circus.
Crazy.
It can't go. It's nowhere it can go that won't excite me right now. Because I mean, where do we move to? Where do we move from? 16. So it's a 60, 85, 67. It, I would say 68 flat is like an extreme where this 1 hour can go to because that at least is going to be kind of overextending the daily average of what this trading pair does. You know,
Yeah.
meaning
Yep.
that I just don't see it going over 150 pips directly in one direction. Now, yeah, you may be able to catch 50 going down and 100 going up. You might be able to catch that 150, but just from the bottom to the top type shit, from open to the top, yeah, it's very rare for this pair. So that's a good thing to know. That's why you need to know. Shout out to Piff for the ATR. You need to know your average true range because if you see a market overextending like this and it's going into new heights and it's leaving you and you feel like you missed a trade, just take a step back and see how much, how many pips does this pair typically move anyway. That way you can kind of have a ballpark idea of how far it will go on the run before it being too weird. Because it look weird right now, but it's just a normal move. It's a breakout, you know.
Yeah, like I said, this is actually perfect. So only thing it's doing is creating clean traffic. It's creating a higher range for a price to
Exactly.
fill. So, just look to the left,
Exactly.
you know.
You're right about that.
But yeah, man, I am about to embark on my day,
Yes, bro.
and I will, what I'm saying, I will monitor
Tap in
um
on the Telegram.
what's
You
going
know.
on. Yeah, man. Y'all tap in the Telegram. Those
Uh,
at the end, y'all know what's up.
yeah, man. We gonna like I said, I'll probably be on here for another hour just to see how this hourly candle closes, but I'm gonna wrap Monday up a little quick because I can see it. It's probably leaning more towards a no trade morning,
Hmm.
and yeah, we're gonna get a little more shut eye because I was on driving all night. But yeah,
Gotcha.
man, you have a great day. Be safe. Be careful.
You already
And
know, bro. Appreciate it, man.
yeah, man, we'll holler at you, man.
All right, brother.
Peace, peace out.
Peace out, family.
Yes, sir. Now that we still here, guys. We just looking to see how well this 1 hour push, this last 1 hour push, will hold true. Like Jay previously said, this is a lot of traffic for us to retrace into. And I mean, yeah, that sucker was steaming, like no bottom wicks. Hardly any bottom wicks on it. This sucker was moving. So yeah, it'll be nice. More of a fairy tale, but it'd be nice if we got it engulfing and then we could just sell off into that. That'd be crazy, actually. But right now, I'm more leaning towards a no trade Monday. That's really what we're looking at right now. And I need to go to my charts because y'all can't see nothing what I'm talking about. But as you can see, 1 hour overextended, taking out these highs, equal highs right here from the 22nd of March. Like I said, I believe that's Jerome interest rates that came out around that time. Took out those highs, and now we're starting to show some reversals happening. We at least got a wick on this candle. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if we push a little higher. I know that's not the weekly high right now, but who knows? But yeah. As far as buying targets, I mean 66.70 to 66.80, that little range down here. That's a nice little area to look for buys if we sell into that. But overall, we could be consolidating throughout this morning, and maybe who's to say, like, the 10 o'clock candle won't give us a sell engulfing to sell into this clean traffic that was created. So we just got to be patient and wait. Like I said, the bus did leave us on this bullish move. It happened at 1 o'clock in the morning. So it happened at 1 o'clock, but you couldn't get into the trade until 2 because you had to wait for that 1 o'clock candle to close to even, confirm that it was engulfing. So with that being said, it definitely left from support. Like I said, we were attacking these equal lows right here, and we had equal lows down here. Also finishing off the overall gap fill right here, because we got wicks right here. That was good for rejection, but it wasn't the strongest and best full fill of this price. That extended right here from the 27th. We dropped down right here at, what was this? 6 o'clock at that close. Had a little push down on the wick to continue bearish, but we didn't get a bearish close. So that was new support going into London. We held, or pre-London, we held that support. Then market pushed higher, creating an engulfing. And as you can see, old targets from Friday was hit. And nonetheless, if you were have extended out your chart, you would have realized that these old highs from the 22nd were other targets or areas of interest that the market was trying to reach to, and that's what it did. And now we're starting to continue a little higher. Okay, let me go back to my trying to get this thing out of full screen mode. Oh, so I just turned off the toolbars. How to turn? Okay, how do I turn back on the toolbars? How to turn on the toolbars?
I was gonna cut your head.
Upper left corner and show how to change the slider position. What?
Go lay down. Lay down. Okay, you ready, girl?
No sense, no fam. It ain't no menu. And show or hide the tool or change the slider position. Let's see. Status line. Don't need that. Scales. Appearance. Background. Grid lines. Session breaks. I give it even over here. Scales, navigation, top, bottom, right, trading, events, and template. Wow. So we really are stuck. I was one of them.
You got your food?
Sparky.
Yes, sir.
Sparky the dog.
You hungry? You gotta make sure you eat before you go shit tomorrow.
I'm gonna go back to share my screen.
You still on there?
Huh?
You still on
Yeah. Trying to figure out how to get out of this full screen mode. It's crazy, bro.
Hey, Chucky, you gotta wait. I'm not gonna wait till it's right now. You need to wait. I'm staring you down. I'm dark right now. It's too many people walking around. Too many people. Not yet. No. Go lay down. Go over there and lay down. Go put me there. Not yet.
Shift F. We back. I also figured it out. So it's Shift F. Or I can just do that. Yeah. Yeah, Shift F. That's what it was, bro. I had to go to another chart to figure it out. Dang it. So yeah. Now I can go to the full hour. So you guys can see it, that we are engulfing and we are reaching new heights. See what the daily's looking like. Yeah, I think we're going to 68 flat. And if we hang around there, which is really, it's really nothing for it to hang. So if we break above this 68 flat, it's almost slight potential we could go to 69. So that's more of a strong support turn resistance scenario where we can actually bounce from here. I don't see no bouncing. I see breaking through that and maybe bouncing off of here to turn around. So yeah, we're gonna monitor this, and like I said, we're gonna lock in pretty much what's the high? 67.80 to 68 flat. That little 20 pip range. That's why I want to be catching sales at. 67.80 to 68 flat. And I'm gonna put that on a 1 hour. Draw a little box so we know it's out. You know what I mean? As soon as I find this, I gotta find this. Oh, I got emojis. Let's see. My emoji right there. That's what I'm looking for. Looking for a cool ass sale right there. And I'm gonna highlight it. Bro, where is the It's not there. Not there. Looking for my box tool. Oh, bro. That's right in front of my fucking face, man. Oh, baby. Get it together. I know it's the morning time, but you gotta get it together. So we're looking for up in here. 68 flat. That's why I'm looking for sales. And we're going into late night into the morning. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this up here. Put our smiley face. And this is basically from, let's see, let's go to the new daily, which would be about 16. Let's zone that into there. And pretty much where we end our, right up in there. That's where we're looking to take sales at. We'll see if we get into our box of joy, and then we can sell off into that. Yeah, like I said, gonna be a no trade morning, y'all. I mean, this candle doesn't look like we're gonna get an engulfing to the downside. We're already at 7:30. Look at the 30-minute chart. Yeah, I'm not too sold on that. So with that being said, if we do get another bullish push, then that would mean that would be 8 o'clock then, so 9 o'clock. So let's set my alarm. 8, then 8 to 9 o'clock. Set my alarm for 9 o'clock to check and see if we got an engulfing. And if not, and if it's not too overextended in the bullish, on the bullish side of things, if it's not too overextended at 9 o'clock, I can potentially wait for 10 o'clock to see if we get an engulfing. And that will be it for the morning. Because like I said, I'm pretty much leaning more towards a no trade morning. But we do have our area of interest that we're going to wait and see. And we're looking to get a sale from there. But yeah, I think we're going to wrap this one up. Great first morning live. We'll be back tomorrow morning to go over what happened on Monday. I may jump on here in the evening nonetheless. But like I said, if y'all want to follow with our entries and exits and what we're seeing on a daily basis, just hit us up in Telegram. Just go to Telegram and search us. I think you can even join. I don't even know if it's private, but send us a DM on social media. We'll get you in there regardless. But other than that, we out. We'll see y'all tomorrow morning, man. Peace.